is located 5 miles north of Dry Prong, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for La Salle Parish, Catahoula Parish, Western Concordia Parish, until 7:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Monterey to 12 miles southwest of Gina, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gina, Monterey, Jonesburg, Amel, and Harrisonburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for La Salle Parish,